The Snook Inn has been an iconic restaurant on Marco Island, drawing crowds from everywhere for over 30 years. With its waterside dining and live music every night, it offers a unique experience, making it the perfect destination to enjoy authentic island food. On September 28th of last year, Hurricane Ian swept through Marco Island, causing significant damage to the area, including the Snook Inn. The restaurant was flooded with over 3 feet of water during the storm, which caused substantial damage and has been closed ever since. After many months of evaluation and planning, the Carvelli Group, who owns and manages the Snook Inn, received approvals for its plans to rebuild. The owners are now making progress in rebuilding and are aiming to reopen the restaurant later this summer. One of the major features of the renovation is a 34-foot-high Chickee Hut Cathedral, which will be a major focal point atop the restaurant. While some neighbors and residents have raised concerns about its height and compatibility in the area, it appears the structure will remain. We're looking forward to getting back to the Snook Inn to enjoy the tropical vibe along with their excellent food and live entertainment.